viewers watching my video right now. This is me, Dolly, your friend, your host, and I'm again here in front of you with another beautiful, amazing, exciting candle making video. And by saying so, guys, I really mean it by what I am saying. Okay, so what I'm saying is, in today's tutorial, I'll show you how to make the miniature of delicious, creamy Choco Latte coffee. And the candle will not only looks delicious, guys, you really want to drink it, you really want to eat it, and you will definitely think about it that why it is a candle, why it is not a real coffee. So obviously you can create a real coffee also by using the same method, but here in this video I'll show you how to make beautiful candle. And guys, as always, I say to you that if you like my candle making video, please don't forget to click the like button, and if you want to subscribe my channel, guys, I'll really feel blessed if you really subscribe my channel. So please feel free to subscribe. It is absolutely free, of course, subscribing my channel. Okay, that's it, guys. I don't want to waste much more of your time, and that's why I'm taking you directly to the tutorial section. So come with me, guys, and enjoy the tutorial and make it and feel it like you are drinking it, but actually you are going to burn it. Okay, so come with me.